Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today, we're diving into something essential for anyone who cherishes the classic art of typewriting. The Smith Corona 21000 Correctable Typewriter Ribbon, available in a convenient 2-pack. For those who still appreciate the tactile satisfaction and unique aesthetic of a typewritten page, the quality of your ribbon is paramount, and this particular offering truly stands out. One of the most striking features of this ribbon is its ability to deliver unmatched print text clarity and sharpness. When a user loads this ribbon into their Smith Corona machine, they'll immediately notice the crispness of each character. The ink lays down beautifully, creating bold, legible text that truly pops off the page. This isn't just about getting words onto paper. It's about producing documents that look professional, polished, and genuinely impressive, whether it's a letter, a manuscript, or a creative piece. The deep, consistent black ensures that every stroke is as perfect as the last, bringing a renewed vibrancy to any typewritten work. Beyond the exceptional print quality, the correctable tape feature is an absolute game-changer. We all know that typewriters, unlike modern word processors, don't have a backspace button that magically erases mistakes. That's where this correctable ribbon shines. It allows users to easily eliminate errors with a simple correction tape, saving precious paper, and more importantly, a lot of frustration. Imagine typing a lengthy document, making a small typo, and being able to swiftly correct it without having to start over or resort to messy whiteout. This functionality makes the typewriting process much more forgiving and enjoyable, empowering users to create flawless final drafts with confidence. It's a testament to thoughtful design, understanding the real-world needs of a typist. Furthermore, this ribbon is specifically designed for optimal performance in Smith Corona typewriters. This isn't a generic one-size-fits-all solution. It's engineered to integrate seamlessly with Smith Corona machines, ensuring smooth operation, proper ink transfer, and consistent results. This dedicated compatibility means users can trust that their typewriter will function exactly as intended, without any snags or issues that can arise from using incompatible supplies. The 2-pack also offers incredible value, ensuring that a user always has a fresh ribbon on hand, ready to go when inspiration strikes or a deadline looms. It's a practical choice for both casual enthusiasts and dedicated typists. In essence, the Smith Corona 21000 Correctable Typewriter Ribbon is more than just an ink supply. It's an upgrade to the entire typewriting experience. It combines superior print quality with the invaluable convenience of correctable tape, all within a package perfectly tailored for Smith Corona machines. For anyone looking to elevate their typewritten output and make the process smoother and more enjoyable, this ribbon is an indispensable component.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.